Trasy Enterprises presents a precision-engineered pouch-making machine specially designed for the packaging of sterilized medical and surgical products such as surgical tapes, dressings, bandages, syringe packs, IV sets, catheter packaging, and sterile disposable medical kits. These pouches are made to endure the Gamma Sterilisation process, an advanced and reliable cold sterilization technique widely adopted in the medical, pharmaceutical, and food packaging industries. Gamma Sterilisation uses high-energy gamma rays for deep and uniform penetration. It ensures complete sterilization without heat or moisture. This makes it ideal for heat-sensitive and moisture-sensitive materials. The process offers high reliability, uniform results, and leaves no toxic residues, unlike traditional ethylene oxide sterilization. The packaging material plays a crucial role in maintaining sterility and product integrity. For this application, transparent pouches are used, offering high optical clarity, excellent radiation stability, and strong barrier properties against moisture and oxygen. These pouches are also compatible with advanced hot melt and sealing adhesives, ensuring long-lasting strength and appearance even after sterilization. The Trasy Enterprises pneumatic pouch sealing machine guarantees a perfect and consistent seal every time. The sealing parameters, temperature, pressure, and sealing time, can be precisely controlled to suit different pouch materials and coating compositions. Compact in design, the machine operates smoothly with minimal maintenance requirements, providing high productivity and cost efficiency for continuous production environments. With its advanced engineering, reliability, and adaptability to sterile packaging standards, the Trasy Enterprises pouch making and sealing machine stands as an ideal solution for the medical and healthcare industry, ensuring safe, sterile, and durable packaging for critical medical supplies.